Yeah, the starter motor, it was damaged years ago. Now, we had the remains of about 3 of them from the various tanks that are around the camp and then at loan, but they've been taken away previous, and there was only the remains of about 2 starters, but they were badly damaged internally. They hadn't been greased or oiled in a long time, and they hadn't been shimmed properly, so when the tank was towed, it damaged the internals of it. So we have it sent off now to a specialist that does all dynamos and starters, but the problem is this central gear and sun wheel inside it is actually missing completely. So they have to reproduce them somehow, and I've been trying to find drawings online, like an old patent drawing or something like that. We have the parts list and the manual there, and it shows you the gear but not any measurements. I need the ID, the OD, the tooth space and the degrees between them, so that's the big hold up at the minute. Other than that now, like we had that running back in 2012, 2013, it was still running. You get toe starters. Now she wasn't built for a man my height, like, you know, I think you had to be 5'6" or something, like, you know.
Yeah, well, that's why I got a bit of a job even at my height. I got a bit of a job getting in and out.
I usually have to climb in head first as well, like, you know. Yeah, we do. All the vintage goes through the armour section, so I think it always has, probably, if you mean. It's the main responsibility. So, like, the main, we have the 77 Land Cruiser in there. Obviously, to sheet them on. I put the Ciso up the back there earlier on as well.
The which?
The Ciso.
The Ciso.
Yeah, you were looking after the Ford Mark
Ford armour car, yeah.
Yeah.
We had that. We had the Defence Forces Open Day there. Was it 2 weekends ago? So we had the Ford armour car, the Willys, the Universal Carrier, the Sleet them on, the Ciso, and the Panhard 90. The Ford armour car. We got a new brake master cylinder. That's what I was waiting on for a long time.
Right.
But you can still get the parts very easy from America because the Ford chassis, very common. And they make those parts as new now. For all classics, like, I mean, they're big into their hot rods. So. Same with the Universal Carrier has a Ford, same engine in it. It's the Ford Flathead, the 239 CU, I think it is. 239 cubic inch one. So you can get all those parts easy enough. The only thing we need for it is a dynamo. You know, the dynamo on that one has the fan on the front of it.
On the front, yes, that's right.
So we need to get you can buy a 12-volt dynamo or an alternator, but it won't be able to support the fan. So it's very awkward one to fit, like. But I was up in one block there a couple of weeks ago. And there's an old frame of a Ford armour car up there. Remember that one? And the engine had certain sections.
I know,
yes. It was like a training model or something.
I know, it was a model, yes.
But there was a dynamo still on it. I robbed that one for the Ford armour car. So I've bench tested there and it works grand.